In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dependencies in Notion. Dependencies are really helpful when you're managing projects or tasks that rely on each other. For example, you might have a task that can't start until another one is finished. Turning on dependencies in a Notion database lets you clearly show and track those relationships, so your workflow becomes easier to understand and manage. Let's start from a blank spot in your Notion workspace. At the top left of your screen, you'll see the option to create something new. Click on Create. This will open up a new page where we'll build the database that will hold your tasks and later on your dependencies. Inside that new page, click into the main body area where you'd normally start typing content. Type a /, then the word database with no spaces. Notion will show you a menu of database options based on what you typed. This is the quickest way to pull up all the database formats you can use. From the list that appears, look for the option called Database Inline and click on it. Choosing an inline database means your table will appear directly inside the page instead of taking over the full page. This is perfect if you want to see other notes or content around your tasks while you work. Once the inline database appears, you'll see a simple table with a few default columns. Now we're going to open the database settings so we can enable dependencies. Look for the settings icon associated with this database. Depending on your layout and updates to the interface, this may look like a small gear or a 3-dot menu in the top right corner of the database block. Click on that settings icon to open the database options. A menu will appear with several choices for customizing your database. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled More Settings. This section gives you access to additional configuration tools that go beyond basic properties and views. Inside the More Settings area, look for the option called Dependencies. Click on Dependencies to turn this feature on for your database. Once enabled, Notion will add the necessary relationship fields so you can start linking tasks together, marking what needs to be done before or after something else. From here, you can customize your task properties and begin building out your project with clear, visual dependencies that keep your work organized and on track.